Most people think building a business requires a team, employees, departments, managers, but something very different is happening right now. For the first time in history, a single person can operate like an entire company, not because they work harder, but because they operate with systems powered by artificial intelligence. AI can write, AI can respond to customers, AI can schedule appointments, AI can analyze data and generate marketing. What used to require a staff of 10 can now be managed by one strategic operator. But here's the catch. Most people using AI today are still thinking like employees instead of system designers. They're experimenting with tools, testing prompts, trying random automations, but they're not building AI-powered business systems. And that's why most AI experiments fail. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact framework smart entrepreneurs are using to build AI-powered solo businesses in 2026. Not side hustles, not random automation, but real businesses powered by intelligent systems. By the end of this video, you'll understand three important things. First, why the traditional business model is changing faster than most people realize. Second, the 7-step framework that allows a single operator to run systems that previously required entire teams. And third, how AI can be used to automate the most time-consuming parts of running a business. This video is especially useful if you are a small business owner, an entrepreneur, a consultant, or someone interested in building a lean digital business powered by AI. The goal is not to replace human creativity. The goal is to remove the repetitive work that slows businesses down. When AI handles routine tasks, the entrepreneur can focus on strategy, relationships, and growth, and that's where the real leverage begins. The first step in building an AI-powered solo business is strategic clarity. Before adding automation, you must identify where your time is currently spent. Most entrepreneurs discover something surprising during this step. A large portion of their day is consumed by repetitive tasks, answering the same questions, sending follow-up messages, scheduling appointments, updating records, managing simple communications. These activities are necessary, but they are not strategic. The second step is workflow mapping. This means documenting how work currently moves through the business. For example, a lead discovers your service. They request information. Someone responds to the inquiry. Questions are answered. An appointment is scheduled. A sale is made. Most entrepreneurs never write this process down, but once it is mapped, something interesting happens. You can begin identifying which steps can be automated. This visibility is what allows AI systems to work effectively. Without workflow clarity, automation becomes guesswork. With clear workflows, AI becomes incredible. The third step is AI integration. Now that workflows are clear, AI can begin performing specific roles inside the system. For example, AI can respond instantly to new inquiries. AI can answer frequently asked questions. AI can qualify prospects before a human conversation occurs. AI can schedule appointments directly into a calendar. These simple automations remove large amounts of manual work. Instead of checking messages constantly, the entrepreneur focuses on the conversations that actually matter. Step 4 is centralized systems. Many small businesses use disconnected tools: email systems, messaging apps, spreadsheets, CRM platforms. When these tools operate independently, automation becomes difficult. AI systems work best when information flows through a central platform. When data is organized and accessible, AI can make smarter decisions and perform more advanced tasks. This is why modern AI-driven businesses focus on building. Step 5 is automation design. This is where the real transformation occurs. Instead of performing tasks manually, the entrepreneur designs automated processes. A lead enters the system. AI sends a welcome message. Follow-up messages are scheduled automatically. Reminders are delivered before appointments. Post-meeting communication happens automatically. The system operates continuously, even when the entrepreneur is offline. Step 6 is performance monitoring. Automation should never be ignored after it is built. Smart operators track how their systems perform, how quickly leads receive responses, how many appointments are booked, how many conversations convert into customers. These insights allow the system to improve over time. Instead of guessing what works, entrepreneurs can measure results and refine the automation. The seventh and final step is continuous optimization. AI systems should never remain static. They should evolve alongside the business. Prompts can be improved. Automation sequences can be adjusted. Customer interactions can be refined. Over time, the system becomes more intelligent and more effective. This is where AI stops being a simple productivity tool and becomes a strategic advantage. Businesses that optimize their systems regularly create a level of efficiency that competitors struggle. Let's consider a real-world scenario. Imagine a marketing consultant who receives 50 inquiries per week. Before automation, every message must be answered manually. Responses are delayed. Some prospects never receive a reply. Scheduling meetings requires back and forth communication. Now imagine the same consultant using an AI-driven system. When a prospect sends a message, AI responds immediately. Common questions are answered automatically. The prospect is guided through a qualification process. If they meet the criteria, an appointment is scheduled instantly. The consultant only joins the conversation once the prospect is ready to discuss solutions. The result is dramatic: more appointments, faster response times, and far less administrative work. The consultant is now operating with the leverage of an entire support team. Over the next decade, the structure of entrepreneurship will change dramatically. The businesses that grow fastest will not always be the ones with the largest teams. They will be the ones with the most intelligent systems. AI will continue improving. Automation will become more sophisticated, and the entrepreneurs who learn to design systems today will have a significant advantage. Instead of managing people to perform repetitive tasks, they will manage systems that operate continuously. This shift will allow smaller organizations to compete with much larger companies. The opportunity is enormous for those willing to learn how to build AI-powered workflow. If you're interested in learning how to build intelligent systems like this inside your business, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This channel focuses on practical strategies for using AI to automate operations, generate leads, and build scalable systems. And if you want to see a real example of how these AI workflows operate in practice, comment the words AI system below. I'll share a breakdown of the exact framework entrepreneurs are using to automate lead generation and client follow-up. Because the future of business will belong to those who learn how to combine human strategy with intelligent systems. I'll see you on the next video.
This video is sponsored by Prospex Pro Technology. If you're looking to grow your business faster and smarter, you need to check this out. Prospex Pro is your all-in-one solution for lead generation, marketing automation, booking sales appointments, and managing customer relationships, all in one powerful platform. It's like having an entire team working for you 24/7, but without the extra cost. Ready to see it in action? Go to www.prospexpro.com/pro and claim your 30-day free trial right now. That's right, no risk, just results. Don't wait. Your business deserves Prospex Pro technology. Start your journey today.